Today we are going to discuss very important topic, that is inverse of a matrix and linear regression. So today's video is going to be very interesting because today we are going to solve exercise 5.1. So this is very important question, very important exercise, students. Why it is important? Because this type of questions are always comes in board classes or competitive exams. So today's video is very interesting. Not only interesting but also it is very important because today we will learn very short tricks, very important things in by these questions. So watch this video. So what is the first question? So without wasting time, we are just going to start. First question. Okay, what is the first question? First question is today we are going to solve exercise 5.1. So what is the first question? For which value of x? For which value of x matrix matrix 1 minus 2 3 1 minus 2 3 and 1 to 1 1 to 1 x2 minus 3 sorry x2 minus 3 1 minus 2 3 1 to 1 and x2 minus 3 is singular is singular singular matrix. Okay, so for which value of matrix 1 minus 2 3 1 to 1 x2 minus 3 is singular matrix. So how can we solve? Let's see. How can we solve this question? Do you know about the singular matrix? How can we solve this question? When we are saying about the singular questions, this type of questions always comes in board classes, because when we are saying about the singular, it is very very simple questions. But if you don't know what is the singular matrix, how can we solve? For solving this question, you have to use the article of this, means what is the basic definition of singular matrix. When we are saying about a singular matrix, we have to know what is a singular matrix. So singular matrix means if we create a determinant by this matrix and that's value is 0, we can say that it is singular matrix. So firstly, suppose matrix is given, that is 1 minus 2, it is a 3 1 2 1 x 2 and minus 3, it is a question, it is a matrix. Now we are going to create a determinant. It means it is, now line is straight, 1 minus 2 1 minus 2 3, it is a 1 2 1 x 2 minus 3. So if question is it, so how can we solve? We have to find the value of determinant by this directly. So we can say that it is 1, it is 1, we are going to solve, it is a minus 6 minus 2 minus 6 minus 2, it is a plus minus plus, so we can say that it is positive sign with 2. What about here? It is a minus 3 minus x, and that here it is a 3. What about here? It is a 4, it is 2 minus 2x, 2 minus 2x, and what is the value of its 0, because it is singular matrix, so we can say that its value is 0. Now it is minus 8 plus 2, it is a, we can say it is a, just to solve it, okay. So it is minus 8 it is a minus 6 minus 2x plus 6 minus 6x equal 0. So we can say that it is minus 8 minus 6 minus 14, and it is minus 2x minus 6x, it is minus 8x plus 6 equal 0. So it is minus 8 minus 8x equal 0. So we can say that minus 8 equal 8x. So we can say that x equal minus 1. So what is the value of x? We can say it is a singular matrix when x equal 1. If matrix A equal 1 minus 1 2 1 minus 1 2 3 0 minus 2 1 0 3, it is given, then find adjoint of A and also prove that A into adjoint of A equal determinant of A into I equal adjoint of A into A. Adjoint of A into A. So I think this is question. A into adjoint of A, determinant of A into I3, okay, adjoint of A into A, it is I3. Students, it not create the problem when we are saying about the I or I3. It depends on you, whatever you think. When I3 is given, that it means we have to use 3 cross 3 identity. We have to take 3 by 3 identity. When it is I2, we have to use 2 by, when it is I2, it means we have to take 2 by 2 matrix. So matrix of identity. Now when question is 2 by 2, so we if there is not written I3 or I, so we can already understand why. If it is a 3 by 3, so we have to use I3, and if we have to use it is given I2 2 by 2, so we can say we have to take I into cross 2. Okay, so it's not a problem for us. Okay, so let's solve this question. Okay, so firstly, when we are saying about the adjoint of A, we have to find adjoint of A. Firstly, we have to find cofactors of matrix. So how can we find the cofactors of matrix? Let's see. Suppose A is given, that is the A means 1 minus 1 2 3 0 minus 2 3 0 3, it is given. Now we are going to find determinant of A. Determinant of A means it is a 1 minus 1, it is 2 3 0 minus 2 3 0 3, it is a determinant. Now we have to create the we have to find the cofactors. So how can you find the cofactors? You know very well. So firstly, it is a 3 by 3 determinant, so we have to solve 3 by 3 determinants. So it is f11. When we are going to find f11, we have to use 0 minus 2 0 3, because we are going to find cofactors of this. So we can say that it is 0 minus 2 0 and 3. So it is 0 minus 0, so 0 minus 0, it is 0. Okay, so it is always remember that we have to concentrate it here. 1 plus 1, it is a 2, so we can say that it is a 2, so we can say that it is the same value. Okay, but it is already 0, so it's not a problem for us. Now we are going to solve f12. When we are going to find f12, so we have to remember we are going to find with respect to this, means minus 1, so we have to left this and this, so remaining part is 3 minus 2 3 and 3. So students, what is the value? This is a 9 minus plus, it is a 6, so we can say it is 15. But question arises, is the answer 15 right? No, it is not right. Why? Because it is a 2 plus 1, so we have to use, it is a 3 is a odd number, so we have to use negative sign before it. So we are going to use negative sign before it, and we have to use bracket, and it is minus 15. Okay students? Okay, now we are going to solve. Next is f13. It means we are going to find with respect to 2, so we have to left this and this, so it is a 0 minus 0, so we can say that it is 0. Okay, now f21 means 21 means we are going to find with respect to 3. So this row, this column and this row is eliminated. Remaining part is minus 1 2 0 3. So we can say that it is minus 3 and it is minus 0. So what is the value? But it is a 2 plus 1, so we have to use negative sign before it. So we have to use negative sign before it. So we can say that it is 3. Okay, what is the f22? We are going to find f22. It means we are going to find with respect to 0. So always remember that it's 0. It not means it is 0. Okay, so f22 means it is we have to left 0 means this column and this row. So remaining part is a 1 2 3 3. 1 2 3 3. So we can say that it is a 3 minus 6. So it is minus 3, but question arises it is a 2 plus 2, so it is no change, so it is minus 3. Okay, now we are going to find f23. So what is the f23? f23 means we are going to find respect to minus 2. So this row and this column will be removed. So it is 1 into 0, it is 0. 1 into 0, it is 0. 3 minus 1 into minus 3, but already there is a negative sign before it, so we can say that it is plus 3. It is a 0 and 3 minus 1, it is a minus 3, but negative sign is also before it, so we can say that it is minus minus plus, it is a 3, but it is a 2 into 3, 2 plus 3, so we can say that it is a 5, so we can say that we have to use negative sign before it, so we can say that value is minus 3. So we have find out some values. These are 0 minus okay, so it is 3 3, but question is there that when we find adjoint of A, there is a 3, there is a 1, so there we have to use negative, there is a 3, so we have to get these values by getting 3 from here. There is a 3, we have to use here 3. Okay, 1 minus 1 2 3 0 minus 2 3 0 3. In textbook it is a 1, so it's not a problem, you have to use here 3, and after it we are going to solve it. Okay, so it is a f21, f22, f23. Now f, it is a f31, f31, it means we are going to find f31, so we can say that it is 31, so we can say that we are going to find with respect to 3. So we have to use 1 2, we have to use minus 1 2 0 2. So this line and this line is removed, so it is minus 1 2 0 minus 2, minus 1 2 0 minus 2, so minus 1 2 0 minus 2, so it is 2 minus 0, so we can say that it is 2, but it is a 3 plus 1, so it is a 4, so it is same value, it is a 2. Now f31, f32, what is the f32? f32 means we are going to find with respect to it, so we are going to remove this and this, so it is a 1 3 1 3 and it is 2 and minus 2. So what about here? it is a -2 and it is -6, so we can say that it is -8. Okay, so students, it is a -8. Now it is a, look at here, it is a -2 and it is a -6, so it is -8, but it is a 3 plus 2, it is a 5, so we have to use negative sign before it, so it is negative means it is a positive, so it is a positive. Now F33 means we have to find with respect to 3, so this line and this line is removed, 1 minus 1, 1 minus 1, it is a 3 0, so we can say that it is a 0, and minus minus there is a negative sign before it, so we can say that it is a minus minus plus, so it is a 3, but 3 plus 3 it is a 6, it means even number, so we have to it is the same value. Now it is the value. Now we are going to find what is the Fij. When we are saying about the Fij is the matrix with cofactors. So what is the matrix with cofactors? Matrix with cofactors is a 0, minus 15, 0 minus 15, 0, and it is 3, minus 3, 3 minus 3 and minus 3, it is a 2, it is a 2 and it is a 8, and what about here, it is a 3, so it is the Fij. Now we are going to find adjoint of A. So adjoint of A means 0, minus 15, 0, 3 minus 3, minus 3, 2, 8 and 3, and we have to use this is the adjoint of A, so we are going to use transpose of it, so we can say that it is 0, minus 15, 0, 3, minus 3, minus 3, 2, 8 and 3. So students, by this way we find the adjoint. We have to find determinant of A also. So what is the determinant of A? So we are going to find with respect to this, okay, with respect to this and this. Okay, so when we are taking it is a negative sign, so we are using positive sign, negative. When we are opening with respect to this, all is 0, all is 0. What about here? It is a 1. Okay, minus minus plus, it is a 1. Means it is the order of this is a negative, because it is a 1 1 1 2, it is a 1 2, 1 plus 2, it is a 3, so it is a even number, odd number. Okay, so now when we are going to find, we have to eliminate this and this, so value is 3 minus 2, 3 and 3, it is a determinant. So 3 minus 2, 3, 3, so we can say that it is a 9 plus 6, so 9 plus 6, it is a 15. Look at here, when it is a 15, but we have to use negative sign before it, negative sign before it, because there is a negative sign, so we are using negative sign already, so it is a not minus, we are using positive sign, so we can say that it is 9 minus minus plus, so it is a 9 plus 6, so it is 15. Okay, so it is clear now, the value of determinant is 15. Now we are going to solve. Its second part is the first part, this is second part, and this is third part. Okay, so what is the second part? Second part is determinant of A into I3. It means determinant of A is 15 and I3 means 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. So we can say that it is 15. Okay, 15 I3. It is 15 I3. Now first part is adjoint of A into adjoint of A, means A means 1 minus 1 2, it is a 3 0 minus 2, and it is 3 0 3. Now we are going to solve. we are going to this multiply by this, so it is 0, 3, 2, minus 15, minus 3, 8 and 0, minus 3 and 3. Now we are going to multiply A into adjoint of A. So what is the value? Value is, we have to multiply it. So 1 multiplied by 0, so it is 0. Minus 1 multiplied by minus 15, so we can say that it is a 15. 2 multiplied by 0, so it is 0. Okay students, now 1 multiplied by 3, it is a 3. Minus 1 multiplied by minus 3, so it is a minus. It is a minus 1 multiplied by 3, so it is a 3. 1 multiplied by 3, it is a 3. Minus 1 multiplied by 3, so it is a 3. And 2 multiplied by minus 3, so it is a minus 6. What about here? It is a 1 multiplied by 2, so it is a 2. Minus 1 multiplied by 8, minus 8. And 3 multiplied by 6, so it is a 6. What about here? 3 multiplied by 0, it is a 0. 0 multiplied by 15, so it is a 0. Minus 2 multiplied by 0, it is 0. What is here? It is a 9. 9, it is a 0. And it is a plus 6. Okay, what about here? It is a 3 into 2, it is a 6. 0 multiplied by 8, it is a 0. Minus 2 multiplied by 8, minus 6. What about here? 3 multiplied by 0, it is a 0. 0 multiplied by 15, it is a 0. 3 multiplied by 8, it is a 0. What about here? 3 multiplied by 3, it is a 9. 0 multiplied by 3, it is a 0. And 3 multiplied by 3, minus 3, it is a minus 9. 3 multiplied by 2, it is a 6. 0 multiplied by 8, it is a 0. And 3 multiplied by 8, it is a 9. So what is the value? Value is a 15, 0, 0, 0, 15, 0, 0, 0 and 15. Take 15 common from here, so it is 15 and it is 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1. So we can say that it is 15 I3. Okay students, we have proved first part and second part is the same. It is a 15 I3. Now we are going to solve third part. Third part is adjoint of A into A. So what is the adjoint of A? Adjoint of A is 0, 3, 2, 0, 3, 2, minus 15, minus 3, 8, minus 15, minus 3, 8, 0, minus 3 and 3. Okay, it is what is the value of A is 1, minus 1, 2, 3, 0, minus 2, 3, 0, 3. Okay, so what is the value? After multiplying, we can say that it is 0 plus 9 plus 6, 0 plus 9 plus 6 means it is 15. 0 multiplied by minus 1, it is 0. 3 multiplied by 0, it is 0. 2 multiplied by 0, it is 0. 0 multiplied by 2, it is a 0. 3 multiplied by minus 2, it is a minus 6 and it is a plus 6, so it is 0. What about here? Minus 15 multiplied by 1, it is minus 15 and 3 multiplied by 9, it is a minus 9 and it is 24. Minus 15, it is a minus 15, it is a minus 9, minus 15, minus 3, 8 and 1 3 3. Okay, minus 15, and it is a minus 15 minus 9, and it is 24. So it is plus 24. So it is a minus 15 minus 9, it is a minus 24, and it is plus 24. So we can say that it is 0. Okay, now minus 15 multiplied by minus 1, so it is 15, and it is a 0, and it is 0. So minus 15 multiplied by 1, it is a 15. What about here? It is a minus 30 plus 6, and it is 24. So it is 0. It is a 0. It is a 9 minus 9, and it is plus 9. So it is 0. It is a minus 1 into 0. It is 0, and it is 0, and it is 0. It is 0. It is a 0, and it is plus 6, and it is 9, means 15. So students, we can say that it is 15 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. So we can say that it is 15 I3. So by this way we can say that first part first equal part second equal part third equal 15 I3. So by this way, hence proof, we can solve this question. In book there is a 1, so you can take here 1 and solve it again. Okay, so it's not a problem, because by this way we can solve the